Vietnamese bread rolls filled with salad and grilled mushrooms. Prepare the ingredients. Finely shred a quarter of a cup of Chinese cabbage and place in a bowl. Cut one small carrot into matchsticks and place in the bowl. Cut one small Lebanese cucumber into matchsticks and place into the bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to the vegetables. Add 1 tablespoon of agave syrup and mix really well. Add a pinch of salt. Massage the vegetables for a minute or 2 to form a pickle. Then set aside. Slice half an onion finely into crescents. Slice 150 grams or 3 handfuls of oyster mushrooms into thin strips. Thinly slice 1 small red chilli. Heat a pan over a high heat. Add the onion and saute until soft and brown. Add a little water. Add the mushrooms. Add a pinch of salt and saute until the onions are soft. It smells good. When the onions and mushrooms are soft and brown, remove from the heat. To assemble, cut 1 wholemeal bread roll in half. Add some of the cabbage. Add some mushrooms and onion. Add some coriander leaves. Add a bit of fresh chili. Add some sweet chili sauce and serve.